All right guys, come check out what we got back here. This is honestly one of my favorite additions to the build, and I'm super excited to hand off my discounts to you guys. So come check it out. We got a whole entire, whole entire Iceco system right here that I'm truly loving, that I'm gonna get into on today's video. All right guys, I'm a proud partner of Iceco, and make sure you use my discount code DOWNTIMELOST or use the link in the description to get 12% off of any of these products I have here today. So starting out first here, this is the Iceco VL35 Pro S. It's a really nice single zone fridge. They do have dual zone fridges, but for my application, we only really use the single zone, and it does what I need it to do. And then it has their nice fridge slide. So this one has two positions. Can lock fully out like that, or it goes in halfway like that, and it's pretty cool. So starting out on this fridge does open this way, opens this way, and then the whole thing comes off if you really want it to come off all the way. So that is really nice feature. So this fridge uses the same compressor as the Domestics, and they have a 5-year warranty, which is really awesome for any type of fridges. All right, so right here is the nice screen it has right here, so you can actually power it by AC. You can power it by AC right there. You can do DC right here, and then it has another DC port on the backside, and it has 2 USB ports, which is pretty cool. So I like how these click into the holes, and that's really nice, just the nice covers. So we started out probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, and it was at 107 degrees. Right now it is at a whopping 57, so it does cool it really, really fast. It is on the max mode right now. So there's a max mode and then an eco mode. So the fridge is really nice because it doesn't use that much power. If you can tell on this guy, right now on max mode, it is pulling 40 watts, which is, you know, it is cooling it down from 107 to 56 degrees. So that's pretty good. It says it can run for 16 hours on max mode, which is really cool. But normally I do have it plugged in at home before we go camping, fully cooled down before. So it does last a lot longer on eco mode on a nice long camp trip. And I didn't say before, it does have a plug on the backside, so that's why you can kind of see my cord is hidden. So it does pull out nice, and there's no cord hanging off the front right there. So I really like how there's an option to have it on the backside and the front side, depending on which way you want it. I eventually am gonna get it covered. They do have covers that do keep it colder. I have it connected to my platform on their nice slide, and all their stuff is honestly really, really reasonably priced considering all the other companies' refrigerators and everything. So I really love that they do support the off-road community, and they hook up a lot of creators, and there's a reason why a lot of people use the Iceco stuff is because it's really awesome. Like, it's reasonably priced, it's worth it, it's all really nice. Like, this uses the same refrigerators as like the Dometic and all those crazy expensive ones. So right now it's at 50 degrees, so it's slowly coming down. It is still hot out here in Arizona. It's probably like 95 right now, and it's 6:30. Okay, and then the newest thing, so I did buy this fridge with my money, so I'm unbiased on that one. This thing is really nice. I really love it. So what is powering it? I did have an old EcoFlow that was a 300 watt hour power bank, and it only really lasted one day. So Iceco was kind enough to send me this Iceco PB1000, and it's a 1000 watt hour power bank. And let me tell you, it's really not awesome. Caitlin's using like heating pads and, you know, all this stuff at home, and then using charging our phones at home. And right now we left the house at 100%. It's at 95%, and it's cooling the refrigerator. So this thing will last a couple days with the fridge going. So that's really nice. I'm really stoked that they did send me this out, because then it just kind of finishes off the build in the back for, you know, the refrigerator setup. Let's be honest, coolers suck, and getting a refrigerator is a game changer when you go camping pretty much every weekend. You're not buying ice, your food's not getting wet, and it's just a game changer. So if you guys are in the market for a refrigerator, get an Iceco, because there's a reason why all the creators use them. Pretty much, like, there's a reason why their name is so out there. It's because it's a really, really good refrigerator for the price. And then back to the power bank. The power bank has a DC outlet. It has a USB outlet. So we have 2 USBs and 2 USB-Cs. So that's really nice that they add all those in there. Then we have 2 big AC outlets with like the 3 prongs. So, and then it has a spot to put solar. So it's got a spot to put solar, which eventually maybe I might get solar, but you know, it is Arizona and we could charge this thing real fast. I know there's some specs out there that solar does charge really, really fast with this thing, like 3 hours in the sun or something. Don't quote me on that, but it's really nice. And then let me pull it out real quick and I'll show you it's got a charger on top, wireless charger on top. I don't have that going right now because I purposely made this platform back here to slide in the power bank, and it fits perfectly down here. So yeah, let me pull it out real quick and I'll show you. All right, so the power bank has a wireless charger up top right here. Let's put that guy on there. So we're charging right now. So that's really nice that this power bank does have the option of a wireless charger. And then on the back side, it does have a pretty bright flashlight, I would have to say. Most of these are kind of like a gimmicky deal. And this one has a really, really bright flashlight. Let me put it on real quick. Boom. So it is a pretty bright flashlight. You know, it has all the modes. You go brighter, go strobe, slow strobe, and yeah. So right now the fan is going because it is hot outside and it is running my fridge. So this thing is the power bank that you do want to get. Like I said, I used to have an EcoFlow power bank and it wasn't that good. It wouldn't run my diesel heater that long. This thing is a 1000 watt hour, so obviously it's going to be, you know, better. And I'm excited for winter camping. So get ready for those wintertime snow off-road trips. And I got a snowboard, so I think I'm going to start shredding too a little bit more. I've been a couple times. I wakeboard, but I don't snowboard that often. But I'm really stoked to be able to go snowboarding and have my diesel heater running my little area back here and keeping me warm at night, because my EcoFlow did not do that. It would die in the middle of the night and I'd wake up freezing, and that is the worst. So yeah, this thing is the best combo that you can have. Honestly, like this is my dream setup. An Iceco fridge light, and an Iceco power bank. Like, come on. You can't get better than that. They're all reasonably priced, and like I said, use my discount code DOWNTIMELOST. You get 12% off. And this, like, there's a reason why their products are so known out there. It's because they help the off-road community, and they're just really good products. And that's pretty much all I could really say about it, because like once you get one, and once you get a fridge, like if you're on the fence about getting a fridge, just do it, because it's worth it. It's totally worth it if you go camping a decent amount. And just so much easier. Like, you don't need the fridge slide. It's really nice to have, but you can always put it in the back seat, and that's what I did for a little bit when I had my overland set up with the roof rack, or the bed rack and the tent on the top. I just left the fridge inside, but now everything's kind of mostly covered back here, so it doesn't get that dirty. And I know they withstand with some decent elements. I'm not sure, but I am gonna get the cover eventually. But I really love this setup. All right, Caitlin, what do you think about the refrigerator setup and everything compared to a cooler?
It's nice because you can put it in the back of the truck and it doesn't have to sit in our closet forever, and my food doesn't get all soggy with ice, and it just sits in the back of the truck. It's not in the back seat, and the power bank is nice because I can use it inside when we're not using it for the fridge, and I can plug my phone charger in and all of my plugs in.
Yeah, it's really nice. So if you want to buy one, your lady will love it. Use code DOWNTIMELOST and you'll get 12% off, and you'll love the product that comes in the mail. So we're just going to make some dinner right now, and I'll catch up with you when after dinner. Also, I forgot to mention that it does have a light, so once you do open up the refrigerator, it has a light inside of it. So that's really nice and convenient, especially when you're really drunk at nighttime and you need to grab a beer, but you can't see inside your cooler. You got a light inside of the Iceco refrigerator, which is a really, really awesome idea. Damn.
Oh, no littering, dude.
All right, guys, it's honestly sad. You know, this is like the mountain right behind my dad's house. I grew up over here, and look at all this fucking trash. It gets worse and worse every time. You might remember this area from a couple videos ago, but yeah, there's more shit littered in this big pit right here. So that's awesome. All right, guys, we're just enjoying the nice sunset, making some dinner out here in the desert, and some burgers. So if you're still watching, check out DOWNTIMELOST.com. Buy some merch. We're down bad right now. We need some money. Yeah. So,
all made by me.
Yeah, all made by Kate. We got some hats, shirts. We got some new, hopefully, winter gear coming out for the snowbirds out there. You know, shredding the slopes.
It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So check out the website, DOWNTIMELOST.com. Kate took a lot of time and effort to make that website and make those designs. So check it out. I appreciate all you. I appreciate all you guys that bought some merch for me. You guys are awesome. I appreciate all the love. Makes me happy, and thank you guys. Oh, I put the wrong side of there. Ready?
Okay, my burgers are just all fucked up. We got onions, pickles. I don't know why it's all angled like this. Onions, pickles, everything. Kurt's got McDonald's
Pickles.
special over here. Pickle.
Ketchup.
Burger ketchup. Forgot the cheese.
Someone forgot the cheese. All right, guys, make sure to tune in for next week's video because we are doing a build review of the truck and the new setup and everything we got going on. So the Iceco products are really awesome, but there's a lot of other things that have changed on the build that I've been really digging lately. So make sure to tune in for next week's video. All right, everybody, check this out. Look at this like skyline type of deal. You can see all these lights. So down there's Apache Junction, that area. And like Phoenix is that way, you can't really see it. Over there, Gilbert, Chandler, and Queen Creek right there. So yeah, that's where we're hanging out and enjoying the dinner of nice lights. All right, everybody. Well, that's about it for this week's video. Go buy some Iceco products and check out my merch. But yeah, check out Iceco. I have a link down in the description, and use my discount code DOWNTIMELOST, or use the link. They're really awesome products, and there's a reason why they're really known in the off-road community, and a lot of people run the Iceco stuff because it's really badass. And go get yourself some new gear and go out there and have fun camping and enjoy the fridge because coolers suck. And I appreciate you guys watching. Love you so much. Peace out. Bye.